are we supposed to do now? The Autobots eradicated every single project that we had. And running out of minions. Well, checking the Megatron. We have a lot of minions. Silence barricade. Now, does anyone have anything for me to get me excited again? Yes, Lord Megatron. I have 2 new diamond swords ready to sell for you. Yeah. Excellent, T-Rex. You know the tiny guys right there. Bring down here. I'm here to sell you. What's your name again? His name is Lord Megatron. Lord Megatron. I will sell you the Megatron, but if things get a little bit too hard for me, then I'll probably run away. I will not keep fighting. I will not die. Well then, whatever your name is. At least you're willing to serve me. Now, Starsky, Barricade, Bone Crusher. Go on the radar and see if you can find this shredder battle trap anywhere. We need to eradicate it immediately before he strikes us again. What do you do? I've removed the device thing I put on you to keep you close, to keep you hiding from them. But why? They're gonna see us now and come to this location. That's the point, Battleship. Unicorn's idea is to lure one of the Decepticons to us and eradicate them. Make sure their bodies is on the ground, pieces and pieces, one by one. Wait, really? We're actually gonna do that? Yes, Battleship. What do you think? Yeah, I guess so. Now, let us go to this dark place where they cannot kill us easily. Okay. But who will be killing? Anyone that's strong that they sent against us. Okay. Huh? Lord Megatron. We detect a second on the radar. It's Battleship. Yeah, and that's really strange, isn't it? Yes, could be a trick or a trap. What do you think, Lord Megatron? Do have to eradicate him at some point. And if it is a trick, then I'll send in Bone Crusher and some other Decepticons to back him up and eradicate him. If it is him. And if you dinosaurs want to go, you can go if you want to. I don't even care. I just want him gone. Out of here. Don't he doesn't even exist anymore. He's a shredder monster. You got it, Lord Megatron. Or, Broncos, you can't leave just yet. Can I come with you? Sure. And if I die, it has been an honor serving Lord Megatron with all of you Decepticons. It has been great surviving, fighting Autobots and stuff, and getting Megatron. Now, let's move. I want to go, but I'm kind of too scared. I'm a coward. Oh, we already know that. Yeah, I guess so. So, Bone Crusher, what are your orders? You're the most powerful one amongst all of us here. So, let's do what we're gonna do, alright? Huh? It says he's right over there. Berkey, come with me. Just you stay here and make sure nothing attacks us. Alright, let's do this. Yes, bone control. We shall eradicate anything that comes in our way. What is that? Strange. There's nothing here. But it says he's like distracting the lights. We knew you were gonna be here, better shop. Ooh, Megatron sent us here. You're right. Of course he did. I'm gonna follow my master's orders. Eradicate you, Battle Shop. Yeah, wait, hold up, Uncle. Thanks to your massive sword, it will make it more easier to chop your heads off one by one. Enough. Where's the sword at? Yeah. Oh, I suck. Battle Shop. We cannot let him die, Unicorn. Send them to TERROCON. Immediately. If we die, we won't be able to free you. Little Megatron. It appears Bone Crusher Berkeley found Battle Shop. And for us, we found Scourge here. I'll send us some back off. You DECEPTICONs are right out there. Yes, thanks. Rest. Don't worry, because I'm on my way. Not you again. No. Hey, Barricade, what's up? Starscream? Why are you here? Well, since we're both buddies, and we fought this thing before, I decided to come back and help you again. Now, let's take care of this thing, and I get to Bone Crusher immediately. We don't know what happened to him. Dark energy. Huh? Now it's time for you to die, Bone Crusher. Sorry. Scourge, the TERROCON. These dinosaur TERROCONs. Unicron. Yes, indeed, Bone Crusher. Sorry, I have to run this way, Bone Crusher. No! I need backup immediately! No. Goodbye, Bone Crusher. Can I get the final hit? No better shot. Let's get out of here now. Bone Crusher, do you respond? Bone Crusher? Bone Crusher? What is happening? Decepticons, move out. We must go to Bone Crusher's area immediately. No, something happened to him? Oh, come on. Stars and the guns on the floor. Somebody find my head, please. I'll be real quick, buddy. Wait, what happened? Man. Oh, it hurts. T-Rex. Who are you? I'm Unicron. Unicron. Goodbye, Bone Crusher. Excellent work, you Scourge and Battle Trap. Come back to me. Wait, somebody, what happened again? Bone Crusher is dead. What? We're gonna come to you. Do you guys make it yet? No, but he's not responding. He's probably gone. Oh no. Barricade, let's move. You guys. Yo, what is it? I think I know how to bring boss back. This one is dead. Let's take it with us. Oh, poor guy. You wanna die feeling bad for these guys? But yeah, fine. Where is he? He's supposed to be in this area. Where is Buttershop, Scourge, and that TERROCON? And that dinosaur TERROCON that was attacking Bone Crusher? Where is Bone Crusher? Lord Megatron, we have some bad news. Report back to the police immediately and tell me what just happened. Oh no. Oh, I think we're gonna die. Why does this have to happen? We're gonna find better soon in the future, and he will not exist anymore. You got the right sound wave, all tiny sound waves. We will find him and kill him. Yeah, the last thing we all would do. Goodbye, Bone Crusher. We hooked up boss on this thing. Hopefully we'll bring him back.